You ever heard of affiliate marketing? And everyone's saying that it is hard, spamming, and selling to your friends. That's not entirely true. For anyone new here, I'm Nana. Nana knows best, also Leanna. And this channel is for anyone that's over 50 who is trying to understand and learn AI, understand income online, or other things that you might be facing in this chapter of our life. It is one honest step at a time, and I'm just here to share. I have this document that I created to my students for affiliate marketing. I wanted to explain what affiliate marketing is. And it is an example. I showed a video of Amazon influencer program. That's a example of affiliate marketing where you already are doing something, you're already buying, you purchase something you genuinely use and love. So that is either on buying stuff on Amazon and doing a review, shopping at stores, and then you experience it yourself so you can recommend it honestly. What I call that is called word of mouth. And I think affiliate marketing is a great form of making a little bit of expense or a little bit of money by what we recommend and what we live and love. So then you share it with someone, and instead of saying, hey, where did you buy that? I said, I got it on Amazon. You can now share the link and make a commission off of your affiliate link, and instead of a store name. So say that you bought something and it was a cute shirt. They go, where did you buy that? And you say, I bought it at Target. Well, now you could share an affiliate link and they buy it. They pay exactly the same price they would have anyway. So it's not, but at the same time, the company pays you a small referral fee. That is called affiliate marketing. Okay. The company pays you and they recommend a helpful recommendation becomes additional income, which I think is fine. A lot of people might be uncomfortable with it, but it is definitely a way. So let me give you an example. That's not just stores. For instance, me as a coach, I would share products or software that I made my life easier selling on Amazon. Made it easier, maybe able to give you some education or anything like that. And I was able to give them a discount because I recommended it. I didn't recommend it because I make the commission. I recommended it because I genuinely used and loved it. So in my coaching days with Amazon and I had students, I would recommend a software, and that became, if they bought it because I gave them a commission, I would make money. And I would say that here's my affiliate link, I make a little bit of money. Like I buy, maybe I don't drink a coffee, but it's equivalent to me buying a cup of coffee. And sometimes they would say I'd buy it just because I gave them a discount and that I could make a little bit of money. And it worked out in the day where my affiliate income has become more than my coaching income. And so I recommend anything I purchase or buy or recommend to make an affiliate income. So you buy air fryer, a friend asked where you got it, instead of saying Amazon, you share the affiliate link. These are companies that you already know, and that as a woman, and especially one that older age, I have bought many things that people ask what I love. And so these are companies that have affiliate link opportunities. The formula is you use it, you love it, you share it, help someone, and you earn a commission. Great affiliate marketing isn't about selling. It's about helping people discover products you genuinely believe in while being transparent that you may earn a commission. And that is a true meaning of affiliate market made simple. So any of these that you already buy is creating content. I already shared about Amazon. You would do the same with any of these that you truly love and share and make an affiliate. If this just helped a little, that makes my week. If you see that this is something that you want to learn and learn more, hit subscribe, follow, linked all the other videos or other places to follow and see what I have to share. And I look forward to continue on this journey.